In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on/off playing media notifications on Google Chrome browser app. To begin, open your computer's main Settings app. If you are using a Windows computer, you can do this from the Start menu by selecting Settings. If you are using a Mac, open System Settings from the Apple menu or from your dock if it is available there. The exact look of the settings window may vary depending on your device and operating system version, but the general idea is the same. You are looking for the area where your computer manages system notifications. Once Settings is open, go to the section called System and then open Notifications. On Windows, this is usually found directly under System. On Mac, the Notifications section may appear in the main System Settings sidebar. After you are in the Notifications area, scroll down through the list of apps. You are looking for Google Chrome. Depending on how many apps are installed on your computer, the list may be short or it may take a little scrolling. Chrome should appear by name, and it may also show the Chrome icon beside it. When you find Google Chrome, look for the notification switch or toggle beside it. If the switch is turned on, Chrome is currently allowed to send notifications through your computer. To turn off playing media notifications from Chrome, toggle the switch off. Once it is off, your computer will stop showing notifications from Google Chrome, including alerts related to media playback. That covers everything you need to know.